The world moves in real time. Shouldn't your systems too? I'm Anatoly, and together with my co-author Alex, we wrote Apache Kafka in Action to show you how to build reliable and scalable real-time data systems based on Kafka, and how to integrate them with your existing systems. Alex and I are experienced Kafka practitioners, and we share our experiences from training many Kafka teams to running Kafka in production. We will cover the path you need to go from your first proof of concept implementation of Kafka to running Kafka in enterprise scale in production. And of course, we will cover also many of the pitfalls you can now avoid. Are you ready to enhance your student journey? Get your Kafka in Action copy now and connect with us on LinkedIn or in real life. We are always looking forward seeing what you are creating.